Hello students, in the previous class we have started the first chapter, Standing Up for Yourself, written by Yevgeny Yevtushenko. Today we will go for the second unit, but before that let's take a short recap of the previous class. Yevgeny Yevtushenko, he was staying in a quiet Moscow street at the age of 41. After that, ... was given. That means he recalled the past. Flashback, you can say. His childhood days was very miserable. His father and mother separated. Father was staying somewhere at Kazakhstan. Mother was a geologist. Later she changed her profession and became a singer. His father seldom wrote letter to him. There was no harmonious relationship between father and son. Mother remained busy with the concept. She changed her profession from geologist to singer. So nobody was there to take care of him. So his entire education was left to the street, and what he learned from the street? How to smoke, how to swear, how to spit, and how to ready to fight with others. And he learned one more thing from his childhood days, that was not to have fear for anything and anybody. Well, we'll go towards the second unit. In the second unit, we'll meet the villain of the story. Yevgeny Yevtushenko was the hero, and villain was Red. His name was Red. Age 16. His shoulders were beyond his age. That means, okay, he was very fit and fine. Okay, he was going to gym. He has got a very good physique. So that's why everybody had got fear for Red. Everybody means the small children of his age and those who are younger to him. What about Red? Red was wearing a cape, but the peak at the back. Generally, देखिए, peak at the front, but he kept the peak at the back. So this portion opened and the hair came out, right? His and his lieutenants means supporter, his group members, they decorated themselves in the same manner. Russian children, it is known as forelock. Forelock came out, so it was just like fiery cascade. ओडिया रे कहले हम जल प्रपात भले देखाउथला, white hair, and he was having a different style. He kept his leg wide, and he was walking side to side, as if a seaman in the deck. That means he had got the proudness. If you go to any ground early in the morning, you'll find people having a different attitude. They walk in a different manner. Some they walk slowly, some fast, some in this manner they walk, right? They walk like this, and some they run slowly. So what about his style? He was having a different style. He was walking from side to side with a rolling gait. It suited to him because he was a villain of the story. What about other things? He was having green eyes. As I already said, the forelock came out. Green eyes. So here you have one thing to learn. As I said in the previous class, that was description of object, event and process. It carries 10 marks. So it is helpful to you for the second year while write essay, because it is paragraph to essay, you have to write something about something. Okay, today, okay, with the chapter we'll go description of object event process. We'll take, okay, 2 to 3 topic. Suppose description of object. How to describe a refrigerator. Description of object. Event. You have seen a girl for your brother. Describe your mother. Third, how to prepare a cup of tea. Okay, at least we'll discuss 1 or 2. Okay, because it is highly essential how to describe things. Suppose, okay, we'll take the first one, right? Description of object. How to describe a refrigerator. At least we have to write 100 plus words. Okay, it is easy here because, okay, we'll go on with the refrigerator. A refrigerator is an electrical power appliance which is used to cool or freeze food item for preservation. At least 16 words from the very beginning. We need to write 100 plus up to 150, right? So, a refrigerator is an electrical power appliance which is used to cool or to freeze food item for preservation. It has got a outer metal cabinet. Now you have to count. Okay, it has got a outer metal cabinet and inner polyurethane lining. When you leave the refrigerator door of the refrigerator, okay, it provides zero gap insulation so that no insect will enter into the refrigerator. It ranges from 60 liter to 450, double door wala, 450 liters. Its cooling power can be how much? 0. No. Its cooling power can be as low as -16. Okay. It has got several chambers. The upper chamber is known as ice chamber, where we will find ice cubes. We can give ice cream. Okay. We keep as per our requirements. Just below that there is a drawer where we keep milk products such as milk packet, curd, cheese, etc. Just below that there are some adjustable chambers. And at the bottom level there is a drawer. You can say sand scraper. Sand scraper, where we keep leafy vegetables and fruits. Right? Is it over? No. Towards the door side, it has got compartments, several compartments, where we keep water bottle, juice, sauce, eggshells are there, right? And even I like to say one thing, the girls keep nail polish, right? Well, we can get refrigerator with different designs nowadays, different color, and in order to keep it away from the children, we can have a lock, child lock. So it is all about description of a refrigerator. I do feel that it is more than 150 words, right? So you can write something about something. If you write something about something in the second year, it will be easy on your part to go for essay, and you will develop the tendency to write something. It will help you for future. Well, we'll go for one more description, that is, you have seen a girl for your brother, describe your mother. Physical feature. Okay. With the help of simple past knowledge, we can go on. Okay. If I tell verb 1, you have to go for verb 2. Okay. For example, okay, Mama, you are doing a call to your mother and telling about a girl you have seen for your, not for you, for your brother. Okay. Mama, I visit. मैं बोलूँगा visit, आप क्या बोलोगे? Visited. So, Mama, I visited a party day before yesterday. As soon as I reach नहीं आपको बोलना है reached. As soon as I reached, I heard a voice. I rushed आगे से आपको ख्याल रखना है. I rushed towards the direction. I saw a girl singing a song. Mama, what to say about the girl, Mama? I do feel now she'll be perfect for my brother. Okay, it is the description is there. We'll start with the face. Generally, Mama, she was having a round face, oblique, eggy face. Some may like round, some may like eggy, and one sort of face is there that is called having square jaw, square face, not like mirror. Okay, so round face, eggy face, square jaw. Okay, Mama, she was having a round face. Like you have a lot of you are a lot, so your choice is different. So that's why I'm giving oblique, but you have to write only one, round face either, or eggy face or square. Mama, she was having a round pink face. Okay, face हो गया. उसके बाद hair. Lot of poets wrote different thing about lot of poems regarding hair. Okay, let me tell one. तेरे जुल्फ क्या है काली रात की साया. तेरे जुल्फ क्या है काली रात की साया. तो अगर सर को मुंडवा दे तो सवेरा हो जाए. अच्छा, it is for your entertainment, dear. We'll continue with the hair. Mama, one among you will tell, Mama, she was having a long hair, Mama, up to the waist, right? Long hair. Another, Mama, she was having short hair, Mama, just like Kiran Bedi. Somebody else? No, Mama, she was having hair tossed up to the shoulder, Mama. Mama, she has plaited the hair, Mama. कौन बेनी पूछो परा? She has plaited the hair, Mama. Anything else? Mama, she was having curly hair. Kangana Ranaut, right? She was having curly hair. Mama, she had top knot, Mama. You have to fold it. Okay, top knot. Okay, so different sort of hair. While describing somebody, you need to take care of it. Here, next comes forehead. Broad forehead, short forehead, average forehead. Okay, done. Then you come to the eyebrows. We boys having, when you describe a man or boy, you can write bushy eyebrows, Buddha bade eyebrow, bushy eyebrows. But in case of girl, lady, thin eyebrows. आवाज जो है thick eyebrows, thin eyebrows. One more type of eyebrows is there, that is called thread-like eyebrows. What? Thread-like eyebrows. It is not gifted. It is man-made. Okay. You have to go for threads. You have to go to beauty parlor and you have to go for thread. So, thin eyebrows, thread-like eyebrows. Okay. Then comes eyes. Eyes are the most lively part of body. Okay. Blue eyes, deep dark set of eyes. सरबती तेरे आंखों की झील की गहराइयों में मैं डूब जाता हूँ. Deep set of eyes. Brown eyes. Green eyes. Have you heard? Look at the green eyes, the most attractive eyes of the world. Donate your eyes in one of the advertisement. Okay. Then talkative eyes. Eye that talks. Another, smoking eye, drunken eye, nasili aankhein. So you can choose one. You can choose one out of many. You cannot write by giving oblique. You have to prepare a paragraph and you can take one among them. Then comes nose, big nose, small nose, sharp or sword-like nose. There is another type of nose. Okay, it is rare to find. It is that of ex-chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Achilles nose. It is different kind of nose. Okay, we'll move towards Next, lips, young, dynamic lady. So okay, rosy lips and cheeks. Okay, my dear, we'll go for then. Okay, mama, she was tall, mama, short, she was of average tall. Okay, or you can say, mama, she was a dwarf one. Dwarf means bamana joda hote, you can carry na. Okay, so okay, it is height. Then she was fat or thin, slim. Which one? Slim, na? I know. Okay, fat, slim, average. Okay, as per your choice, right? Then comes to color, complexion. Mama, she was black. Chalega na? Yeah, it is called brother. That's why anyone is okay. गोली गोरी हो, काली हो या नखरे वाली हो, कैसे भी दुल्हन दिला दे, भाई का चक्कर चला दे. Okay, if not, okay, mama, she was very fair. She was very fair. So mama, she came to the party with request of somebody. She didn't stay in the party for a longer period of time. She left the party in her ladybird cycle, public scooty pe. No, driving her own car. So what I mean to say is that we are discussing about what? Description of somebody. Here about red. Red was having broad shoulder, green eyes. Okay, when you think about green eyes means what? It was that of a black cat. It is considered to be inauspicious. Okay, the look of red was very dangerous. So he was having a scorn look. Okay, sparkle scorn look means what? A hateful look. Look down upon. It is a phrasal verb you can use for HAT, hat. हेड के लिए आप क्या यूज करोगे? Look down upon. Okay. So everybody has got care for red. Why for? Because he had few friend around him, lieutenants you can say. They were in the same way, peak at the back. Okay, the hair came out, tumbled down like a fiery casket. Okay, and he said with impressive word like this, money. When he said money, two lieutenants from this side, two lieutenants from this side, they went and emptied the pocket of school going guys. If somebody resisted, protested, he provided sufficient blow. He provided the person in black and blue. It is a phrase, black and blue. Black and blue means sufficient blow, right? That means the villain provided children in black and blue, right? So he said with an impressive word, money, and his lieutenants emptied the pocket. So everybody had fear for red, so as the writer, because red having a knuckle duster in his pocket, knuckle duster, a ring like 4 ring like, connected, and at the top, teeth like, sharp thing to attack somebody to injure. So that's why everybody had got fear for red. So is the writer. And what happened next, we'll discuss in the unit 3. Thank you.